with confidence. When I got a little roll like hips and take back sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time.
Hey, so today I'm sharing with you guys a wig that I did receive from LuvMe Hair. I don't have the box with me because I actually did wear this wig once already, but I wanted to record a video and show you guys how I do install this wig. This wig does have the kinky curly edges. So I love that because these edges literally just mimic my own natural hair, and I love that about the edges on this wig. So I did do some plucking in the part and some plucking around the edges. I recorded that video and then I lost the footage, so I'm sorry for that, but I am going to show you guys how I installed it. I wish I could have showed you guys how I plucked it, but I will give you some close-ups on how the hair looks like, what the hair looks like once I go ahead and put it on. So this wig is a kinky straight, so it has a very natural black girl blown out texture. I did blow dry the hair, and I did flat iron the hair, and I did curl the hair when I wore it. So today I'm going to show you guys how I install it after it's already been worn. It's a closure wig, so you can absolutely wear this unit glueless. Today I'm going to use the Ebin Wonder Bond spray adhesive, so this will just last for like a day. My braids are not super flat, so hopefully these will do fine for today. I braided my hair with my press-ons on. If you guys like my press-ons, I do have videos on my Instagram, JessFlyFinds. I post all my, actually let me spray a little bit of this before I even put it on. This is my little mini fan. I like to use this when I don't feel like grabbing my blow dryer. I already sprayed the inside with the lace tint, so definitely use your lace tint spray. I use medium dark brown. Since I already have my makeup on, I just want to make sure that I'm creating a base that's gonna stick. Alright guys, so now that that's dry, I went ahead and placed the wig on my head. So you don't want it to be fully dry, you want it to be like a little tacky. So I went ahead and placed the wig down. I grabbed my rat tail comb to get all the hairs that were like underneath the wig from underneath the lace. So I'm just clearing the hair that was underneath there. And then I'm going to use the end of the rat tail comb to go ahead and glue the hair down, the lace down. I'll use like my nails, and I'll use the tip of the rat tail comb to just kind of push it down. And I'm trying to make sure that I keep the baby hairs free, because the baby hairs are those natural textured baby hairs. So you don't want to do this wig I don't use a lace melt band, because using a lace melt band will just melt those, you know, natural looking edges into the lace and the glue, and then it will defeat the whole purpose of these curly edges. You want these edges to be free and movable and not stuck down and glued down, because you want it to look like your own natural hairline. And I was really impressed with this hairline because it really does look like my own hair. Like, this is what the edges of my hair looks like. So I was very impressed, and I was loving how this wig, how the baby hairs looked and how the lace was. And once I finished laying down the lace, I went ahead and cut away the excess lace. I was sure to push back the baby hairs. I didn't want to cut those off, and just make sure that I cut the lace as close as possible to the hairline. So this is how it's looking, and I'm really loving how it's looking right now. It looks so natural. It literally just looks like how my hair looks when it's blow dried and just slightly flat ironed and pressed out. I went ahead and used a bristle brush to brush those baby hairs and just make them loose and like fly away, kind of just like how it is when you get a silk press. Like, not every hair is laid down, not every hair is in place, but it is you know, straightened and pretty, but still has that nice, you know, texture to it, and that nice you know, just that black girl realness, y'all. We coming through with that black girl realness, and I love that. I love that you have the option, if you want to wear your lace laid down with baby hair slapped to your face with edge control and got to be glued, like, you can do that. But you also have another option. Sometimes I want to do that, right? Like, sometimes I want that lace front look, but I don't always want that. Sometimes I want that natural black girl, real black girl hair look, from the lace all the way from the roots to the lace all the way to the ends of my hair. And I love that this is an option now. So I went ahead and added some foundation into my parting space because I just wanted that to look more like my hair color. It was looking a little dark, so I wanted it to look more like my natural skin color. So I added that into the part. And remember, before, I already plucked the lace, I already plucked the closure, and I already plucked the middle part. So I went ahead and pulled out my edges, my sideburns, so that I could cover up that part of the, you know, wig right there. Because remember, this is just a closure. It's not a frontal. So if the wind blows, you kind of want to cover yourself and pull your sideburns out a little bit. Then I grabbed my Conair 1/2 inch, or is it the 1 inch? I think that's the 1 inch, the Conair 1 inch curling iron. And I went ahead and just did some soft beachy waves. I left the end of my hair out, the tip of my hair out, to give it that straight ends at the tip is straight, and the hair is wavy. And when you do that, you want it to look wavy, you go ahead and pull the curling iron down and add some tension to the curl, and that's how you, instead of getting a curl, you end up getting a wave. So this is the one side done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll pretty much be done. I think I'm just gonna add some hairspray for the flyaways at the top, but yeah, this is pretty much the look. So I'm gonna do this side off camera, and I'll be right back. So this is the end result, you guys, and I just can't say enough how beautiful this hair is. It's full. It's got a really beautiful texture that I absolutely love. The hairline is amazing, and I'm going to try to beg them to send me another wig like this so I can show you guys how I pluck this. And because that's the only step that I'm missing. But guys, this hair is just so perfect. It's just that effortless look that isn't that super laid down, flattened, pressed out, flattened look that we're so used to seeing. It's just a different way to wear your lace wig, and it's refreshing. It's new, it's refreshing, and I love it. So I'll leave comments down below with all the information to this wig. You can check in the comments and in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.